So what I saw was the relatability
Uh-huh.
and the fact that you were very open and honest about healing and the importance of healing.
Mhm.
Everything from what we spoke about, like the intuition, going deep into it. So when I see it, and when I don't know you and I see it, I'm just like, okay, maybe she's gone through it. One, she has the guts to go through it,
Mhm.
or something really tragic has happened to her and she's gone through it and she's come out on the other side.
Mhm.
So when we have other celebrities like Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt talking about it, it goes both ways. Like, hey, they have the guts to talk about it, so now we feel relatable. We'll talk
Mhm.
about it, or like, are they crazy, right? So yeah, it goes both ways. And for me, I've always looked at it as you said, people are listening. If
Yeah.
I talk about it now, I know that people are listening. There
Yeah.
are people there to like learn from it and
Yeah.
listen. So for
You can have a hero wherever you want, honestly. I've never looked to celebrities to be inspired.
hmm,
For me, the person who is an expert in that field
hmm,
is the person that I will look to. So if I want to watch or learn something about mental health, I'm going to go to a mental health expert. I'm not going to go to a celebrity. If I want to necessarily just learn how to be an actor or handle fame, yeah, I'll go to a celebrity. But I don't consider a celebrity qualified to talk about anything else. If I want to learn about motherhood, I think anyone who's a mother is qualified to talk about that. But I would always go to the source, not the celebrity, to get the information that I want. I think that it's great when a celebrity talks about certain things that are not talked about. It definitely took a lot of guts, and then they make that, sort of cool and acceptable to talk about. But people were talking way before a
yeah,
celebrity
yeah,
spoke
yeah,
up,
hundred
So,
percent.
I mean, I'm going to give the celebrity chops for the fact that they were vulnerable, but they don't get like OG chops. No,
No, no, no,
you know?
no, 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 hundred
Yeah.
percent no. I feel like yes, if you have a platform, for me, I'm
Yeah.
like, you have a platform. This is something you're going through. You know, it can help someone. Let's
Yeah,
talk
but I don't
about
I
it.
don't think
It's
it's
not a
like their
have to. No, no,
responsibility. I
it's
don't think
not.
it's any celebrity's responsibility to show up there to talk about mental health, because sometimes talking about your mental health can be very damaging to your mental health also.
Hmm.
So true responsibility comes to you. If you feel like it helps you, if you feel like, now you are in a space where, see, I don't think we're not going to be completely healed, not in this lifetime ever. Okay.
No way.
But so when you say that, you saw me and you're like, oh, she's come to the other side of it. What
Yeah.
is the other side? I don't know. Am I done? Am I done healing?
No
Is it
way.
over? Obviously not. You know,
So
so
yeah.
I mean, if I'm done healing like yesterday, I would be very happy. Then we're going to talk about like your childhood. Before that is your past life, your intergenerational trauma, where your soul has been in like intergalactic dimensions.
What a
It's not stopping,
what a
right?
crazy movie that would be.
Yeah, it's probably made.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
it has.